guys and girls, I hope you all are doing great amidst this pandemic and keeping yourself and your family safe. Now, I welcome you all to the third video of the Pride Month on my YouTube channel. Today, I decided to do a transgender flag colors inspired makeup, and this time I'll be doing it, give it a mask effect. So come on, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as usual, I've done my base and I will be using my face and body paint palette, this very palette, and I'll be using a white color first to draw the borders of the mask. Okay, so I've done the first line, I've bordered it, and I'll fill in this particular section with the transgender flag colors. I need to mix and match, and we're very good to go. Okay, so I've mixed white and blue, dark blue, and I've got a light blue color, and with that I'll be applying onto my face. Okay, but before I apply, I personally feel I need to draw my borders from here too, or else it would just spill out. So I have now done the border, and gradually I'll apply all the colors stripe wise. Okay, so this is the pink. I've mixed red and white, and I'll apply it. Done. Now finally white. Alright, so this is the final look. Easy Pride Month makeup, you can say it, inspired by transgender flag colors. And I hope you guys liked it and you watched till the end. Thank you so much. Please do show me your support by subscribing to my channel. And I see a lot of you people watch my video but do not subscribe to it. Please, will be really grateful if you show your support, and rest, like it and share it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay good, stay fit. Bye.